If your tablet can't handle real life, it's time for one that can. Introducing the DOOGEE R20, a rugged Android tablet built for adventurers, field professionals, and anyone who demands serious durability without sacrificing power or performance. With IP68, IP69K, and MIL STD 810H certification, the R20 is built to survive water, dust, drops, and everything in between. Its rugged frame is paired with a stunning 10.4-inch FHD plus 2.4K IPS display, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, delivering vibrant visuals and superior scratch resistance. Under the hood, the Helio G99 octa-core processor ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, using field apps, or gaming. With up to 20 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable to 2 terabytes, it's ready for any workload. The massive 21,600 mAh battery offers long-lasting use, supports 33-watt fast charging, and even features OTG reverse charging so you can power up other devices in a pinch. For staying connected, the R20 offers dual SIM support, dual-band Wi-Fi, and precise global navigation via GPS, Beidou, Galileo, GLONASS, and AGPS. Capture high-quality images with the Samsung 50-megapixel main camera, enjoy sharp video calls with the 16-megapixel front camera, and unlock your device quickly using face recognition or the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Add immersive sound with Smart PA quad speakers and enjoy the latest features and smooth UI with Android 13. Despite its toughness, the R20 stays stylish with bold color options like magnet black, jungle green, and lava orange. The DOOGEE R20 combines extreme durability, smart design, and powerful specs, making it the perfect tablet for work, travel, and everything in between.